Another one. Here we go, ladies and germs. Not too big, probably 60 footer, pondo, right next to the house with a nice deck on the back. Man cave. And we're gonna piece her down. There's the deck. Piece her down to the chipper.